Hey everyone, it's Sean from OOD Design, and I'm here with our 18-inch Star Wars inspired heads-up display. As the name suggests, it is heavily inspired by the Star Wars films, and this is actually the first of many products that come from us here at OOD Design. We essentially are a spin-off of our main parent company, Crafted Elements. We have a large facility here, about 10,000 square feet. We've got laser cutters, we've got a whole room full of 3D printers, we've got multiple CNC machines, we've got silicone mold making, we've got different resin casting areas. We make a lot of different products for makers, but OOD Design was set up to utilize some of the off time, the machine off time and the labor off time. We want to make unique things that are in the pop culture, film, video game space. Of course, paying homage to one of the most popular film franchises of all time, Star Wars, with these guys. So you'll notice they're fairly sizable. They're 18 inches by about 13 or 14 inches. I'll be honest with you, this project took way longer than expected. I thought this was going to be a few days of design, get some prints done, because we do have a lot of 3D printed components here. The rest are laser cut acrylic, and this is CNC milled and then laser cut 1/2 inch acrylic. Anyway, this took way longer. This has been probably 2-3 weeks in the making. I've got, if you can see in the back there, I've got a whole slew of test prints and sample designs. We had a wider version, we had a shorter version, we had versions with multiple buttons, and I really just had to pare it down. I've probably made about 30 of these things that didn't meet that exact design we were looking for before we finally came to these. There's about 20 hours of print time into the 3D printed components, and then another 2 hours of time for CNC cutting, milling, and laser cutting. Now, if you want to get your hands on one of these, you can do so at ooddesign.com. Again, guys, thank you for watching. And if you are interested in products like this, make sure you like us and follow us on social media at OOD Design Co. And then also sign up for our email list at ooddesign.com, because you will be the first to be notified when cool new products like this hit our website.